Jafar was a religious scholar in the city of Yazd, Persia, now Iran. When he learnt about the Baha'i Faith, he accepted it wholeheartedly. He traveled to Baghdad, Iraq, and met Baha'u'lláh. Jafar decided to give up his position and instead work as a carpenter and as a servant for Baha'u'llah's household. He felt content to humbly serve Baha'u'lláh, his family, and the other Baha'is. In 1868, Baha'u'lláh and about 70 family members and friends, including Jafar, were exiled to Akka in what is now Israel. Though they had not committed any crime, they were sent to the foul prison city of Akka because the government wanted to stop Baha'u'llah's teachings of unity from spreading. After arriving in Akka, Jafar became terribly ill. His condition grew worse and worse until the doctor said he could not do anything more to help him. Finally, Jafar stopped breathing and his body went limp and cold. Family and friends surrounded him, weeping and mourning his death. Another Baha'i, Akajan, ran to Baha'u'lláh and told him of Jafar's passing. Baha'u'lláh said to him, "Go, chant the prayer of, O thou the healer, and Jafar will come alive. Very rapidly he will be as well as ever." The prayer was chanted. Jafar began to stir. Slowly he started to move his limbs. Within an hour, he was sitting up, laughing and telling jokes with his friends. He lived a long time after that, continuing to assist Baha'u'lláh and the Baha'is. Every major religion has wonderful stories of miracles and amazing feats performed by messengers of God as they went about fulfilling their mission. Though these miraculous events should never be the central focus of the messenger or their message, certain lessons and inspiration can be drawn from such stories. In this story, a simple act of belief and obedience was sufficient to dispel the shadow of death from Jafar's life. Let us, in our lives, search out the words of today's messengers so that we may believe and be obedient to them. Only then can we dispel a condition worse than physical death, spiritual death.